Welcome to Annie's Max Research Ideas. Today we have to see about magic labeling, that is H magic labeling. First, the definition of H magic labeling. For that, we considered a P, Q graph, that is the graph has P vertices and Q edges, and the graph is denoted by capital G. Also, H magic labeling graph satisfies bijection condition, that is, it satisfies 1 and onto function. Here, the mapping is capital F V union E to 1, 2, etc. P plus Q. Here V is vertex set, E is edge set, small p is number of vertices, Q is number of edges. Also, H magic labeling condition is F of U plus F of V plus F of UV is constant. If a graph satisfies H magic labeling conditions, then it's called H magic graph. Here is an example of H magic graph. All of you see, this graph contains 3 vertices and 3 edges. The vertices are U1, U2, U3. Edges are V1, V2, V3. The vertex U1 is labeled as 1, U2 is labeled as 2, U3 is labeled as 3. The edge V1 is labeled as 4, V2 is labeled as 5, V3 is labeled as 6. Now, see F of U plus F of V plus F of UV equal to 9. In this graph, our constant is 9. So now we see how will we get 9. Our mapping is small f, V1, V2, V3, U1, U2, U3, both the vertex set and edge set. The labels are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F of U1 is labeled as 1, F of U2 is labeled as 2, F of U3 is labeled as 3. These are vertices. Now, edges F of V1 equal to 4, F of V2 equal to 5, F of V3 equal to 6. Now, we see the condition. For the edge V2, F of U1 plus F of U3 plus F of U1 3. All of you see the figure. For V2, F of U1, F of U3 plus F of U13, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5. It is equal to 9. Same way for the edge V3, F of U1, F of U2, F of U12. U12 is the edge. Okay? Equal to 1 plus 2 plus 6 equal to 9. For the edge V1, all of you see the figure. F of U3 plus F of U2 plus F of U32. U32 is our edge V1. So 3 plus 2 plus 4, it's 9. So all of you see our three edges V2, V3, V1 satisfies the condition and we get the constant as 9. So this graph satisfies the condition of edge magic labeling. So edge magic labeling condition f of u, f of v plus f of u v equal to constant is satisfied. Introduction of magic labeling. Sindlek introduced the concept of magic labeling in 1963. That's all about edge magic labeling. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.